Control number 1898-A, please tell me something about yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Lawrence Villasumio, 27 years old, single. We are 3 in the family. I have 2 younger brothers. I am the eldest, and I took a Bachelor of Science in Commerce major in Management.
Okay, tell me something about your working experience.
With regards to my work experience, I worked as a maid for about 2 years in Mrs. Sandra Park from 2010 to 2012, consisting of 3, 1 adult and 2 children. Their age are 1 and 2. My responsibilities are cleaning their house, washing clothes and dishes, then cooking their foods. And I work also to Mrs. Lee and Mrs. and Mr. Lee from 2012 to 2014.
Okay, how many members in the family?
They are 4 in the family, 2 adult and 2 children. Their age are 2 and 4 years old. My responsibility are doing household chores and at the same time teaching them basic English, their children.
Oh, so they are Korean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you take care of their child?
Prepare his food, bathing, tutoring like reading books, storytelling. If the child is schooling, I'll send him to school, then I'll fetch them from school.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for bigger compensation because I want to help my family a lot.
So do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
I don't know, ma'am, how to cook Chinese dishes, but I am willing to learn and to be trained.
So what are other skills you can do?
I know gardening and computer trade, ma'am.
So aside from that, what are the other good characteristics of domestic helper?
A domestic helper must possess a characteristic like patient, hardworking, trustworthy, child-loving, and very understanding.
So lastly, what are your message to your future employer?
Dear ma'am, sir, or to my future employer, if ever you will choose me, I promise you I will do my best and responsibility to serve you better, including your family, and I promise to finish my contract or more. Thank you very much, sir.